Freelancing tips and strategies. Freelancing has emerged as a popular and viable career option in recent years, offering individuals the freedom to work independently, choose their own projects, and manage their own schedules. This V provides an overview of freelancing, discussing its benefits, challenges, and tips for success. Freelancing refers to working as a self-employed individual, offering services or expertise to clients or businesses on a project-by-project basis. Freelancers can be found in various fields, including writing, graphic design, web development, consulting, marketing, and many more. The rise of the internet and online platforms has significantly facilitated the growth of freelancing, enabling individuals to connect with clients from all around the world. One of the key benefits of freelancing is the flexibility it offers. Freelancers have the freedom to choose when and where they work, allowing for a better work-life balance. They can set their own rates, negotiate contracts, and select projects that align with their skills and interests. Additionally, freelancers have the opportunity to diversify their work by collaborating with different clients and industries, gaining valuable experience and expanding their professional network. However, freelancing also presents certain challenges. The most significant one is the inherent uncertainty of income. Unlike traditional employment, freelancers do not have a fixed salary and must actively seek out projects to maintain a steady stream of work. This requires self-discipline, effective marketing, and networking skills. Additionally, freelancers are responsible for managing their own taxes, insurance, and other administrative tasks, which can be time-consuming and overwhelming without proper planning. To thrive as a freelancer, it is important to develop certain skills and strategies. First and foremost, building a strong personal brand is crucial. Freelancers should create a professional website or portfolio showcasing their work, along with an updated resume and relevant social media profiles. This helps in attracting potential clients and building credibility in the industry. Networking is another essential aspect of freelancing. Joining professional organizations, attending industry events, and connecting with peers and potential clients can open doors to new opportunities. Building relationships and maintaining a strong professional network can lead to referrals and repeat business. Effective time management is vital for freelancers. Creating a schedule, setting deadlines, and prioritizing tasks helps maintain productivity and ensure timely delivery of projects. Freelancers should also allocate time for self-improvement, such as learning new skills or staying updated with industry trends, to remain competitive in the market. Financial planning is a critical aspect of freelancing. Setting realistic rates that consider expenses, taxes, and desired income is essential. Freelancers should also establish a system for tracking income and expenses, saving for taxes, and planning for retirement. Seeking professional advice from accountants or financial planners can provide valuable insights in this area. Communication skills are paramount for successful freelancing. Clear and prompt communication with clients helps in understanding their needs, managing expectations, and delivering satisfactory results. Regular updates, responding to queries, and being proactive in addressing concerns contribute to building trust and maintaining long-term client relationships. In conclusion, Freelancing offers numerous advantages, including flexibility, autonomy, and the opportunity for professional growth. However, it also requires self-discipline, effective time management, and financial planning. By building a strong personal brand, networking, and developing essential skills, freelancers can position themselves for success in the competitive freelance market. With careful planning and perseverance, freelancing can provide a fulfilling and rewarding career path for those willing to embrace its challenges and opportunities.